guys, it's Sian. So today we're gonna play Murder Mystery 2 in Android phone. So let's get started. And if you're watching this, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel because this is my new video. So thank you. I really appreciate it if you actually do that. Okay, let's get to it. It's a little laggy, but it will be alright. Yes, using phone. And let's get. Okay. How many players? 8. Okay. Oh! What the? What the? Is that? OMG. Girl, what is that? I'm gonna go get them. I'm gonna choose a map. I want this one. House 2. There's also a secret here. So, yeah. I cannot go it. Okay, let's get. Where is that thing? Oh my god. Hiding in the bush. Okay, I think that is the murder. Just kidding. Okay, I'm not going there. I will going here. Oh! Ano yun? Who is the sheriff, by the way? Oh, who is the murder? Let me collect this before I see who is the murder. Is she shooting someone that is not murder? Let me check. Wait, let me collect first of all of these. I need to collect all of these. So, the coins and the Easter eggs. Oh, you're hiding. There's so many coins and eggs here. Oh my god. I cannot believe I just walked past by that thing. Okay, baskets are full and we're gonna... Wait, did the sheriff die? Where's the gun? I'm gonna get that gun. Where's the murder? What is that? Is that the other map? Oh, we won. Yay. Where's that, please? Okay. Who's the murder? Oh. Sir Gurn a lot 8. I want to use this. Let's choose this map, please. Okay. My god. Wow, why is this 100? I want to see. Oh, that's a lot. What about the classics? Holidays. Candies. Oh, only on the Halloween. Okay, let's destroy them. Okay, finally I am. There's so much scam in my phone. They're trying to scam me, but that won't do. Okay, I'm gonna find someone. Oh, is that our target? Nah. Wait, she's coming. Let me... You died. Okay, let's go up. Up, bidi bop, bop. Bop, bop, bidi bop, bop, bop. Okay, let's collect all of these. Wow, there's so many now. and I'm gonna collect them all. Okay, I killed one, so we're gonna wait for the other. Oh my god, why she's telling that I am the killer? I'm gonna kill you if I ever saw you. Shut up! Okay, I'm gonna jump 3 to 2 times. Just why can we take me and she's oh, that kinda hurt when she fell. Where egg spawned? Where? I want to get that egg thing. I don't see the other thing, but let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Let me check here. I'm checking. Let's go check. Checking. I don't see it. But I can feel it. There's still somebody here. We're gonna act innocent, no? I will gonna find you. Oh, maybe you're here? Ah, ching. Okay, not there. Let's go check over here. Nope. Over here? Nah. Ako'y walang makita. Is that it? No. Oh, you poor thing. You cannot escape from me. Oh no! Aww. I didn't win, but it's okay. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. It's only just a game. Oh my god, but it's okay. I killed also the sheriff. And I'm not spam jumping. I killed that first. Okay, what map should we do? Oh, AO lab. Okay, that's pretty nice. There's also a secret room here. See. Secret room. I thought I was stuck for a minute. Just wanna kill me then. You gotta tell me just it out, Pikachu. Okay. I'm gonna go here so I can see who is the sheriff and murder. Oh my god, she's... Oop. Oh, I didn't use my mind. Yeah. Oh my god. Get and something. I'm gonna get all of this. So, because there's also an item, so I'm gonna get that. Suspicious. Jump over her. How many things? Oh, I need 480. So, yeah. Did someone die? And who is that the murder? I don't think so. It's kinda looks suspicious. Maybe she is the murderer or not. Oh, not her again. Girl, I'm not the murderer. Wow. Okay. Going. Where is the merge? I know she's the sheriff, but I cannot find the merge. I'm gonna go over here. There's the sheriff. Oh, maybe she's the merge. Why you shouldn't? You must shoot her. What the hell is this? I know I can hide. Oh, there's also a hiding spot here. Oh, what is this? Evil liar. Okay. Ano kaya ito? Suspicious. So we are on 2, 4. Okay, we are 4. 4 still left here. Wait, I thought she leave. This is like yeah, she. Did I see her holding a knife? Is this why you must look? Hey, I win. Oh, 14. I win. GG. But who is the murderer, by the way? Oh, we're gonna find out who is it. Oh, it's her. OMG. Why she didn't? Okay. Research factorability. Okay. Okay, we are waiting. Ooh, Easter egg. Oh, it's still not enough. It's okay. Kitty, boom. Oh! OMG! This is what I like. Let's go over. Girl, did you not steal that? Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Once and a time me babe. He got me can she said he got to me that also okay, you died. Oh, it looks like she's the sheriff. Why she didn't shoot me in the first time? Wait, I hear somebody. I'm gonna wait to is there coming? I thought someone was coming. Wait, there's people. Okay, let's just sleep and pretend there's nothing to see. Right, guys? There's. Okay, you died. Just wanna tell me oh no, I died. It's okay. No, I died. Oh, but it's okay. I died. Ooh, I'm level 12. Sweet. Let's go to this thing. Okay, this is gonna be the last game. Yeah, last game. And I'm gonna make other videos soon. So you better subscribe. So, thank you. Okay, this is our gonna be last game. So, yeah. Oh, innocent. I'm pretty bad at innocent. That's how did she do that avatar? She looks scary. Okay, I'm gonna just. Ooh, suspicious. Who died? We skipped. Oh, it's the bacon. Is the bacon? No, thank you. Excuse me. No, if you. Where is that coming from? Papunta yan dyan. Style niya ay bulok. Victory! Let me egg toy. Oh yeah, I also have an egg toy. She's trying to hide from the plant and I saw her ponytail, so I shoot her. I thought it was gonna be missed. So this is my last. So goodbye guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.